to remove a card from your Apple Wallet. On iPhone or iPad, open the Wallet app. Next is tap on the card you want to remove. Then tap the More button in the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap Remove this card. And for users who are on Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone. And then go to the My Watch tab. After that, tap Wallet and Apple Pay. And select the card you want to remove. After that, tap Remove this card. But for those who are on Mac with Touch ID, here's what you need to do. Open the System Settings or System Preferences on older macOS versions. After that, just go ahead and click Wallet and Apple Pay. And then select the card you want to remove. Then click Remove Card. Removing a card from your Apple Wallet can be useful for several reasons. For example, you have a lost or stolen card, expired or replaced card, as security concerns, you need to switching banks or cards, device change or sale, and as well as reducing clutter. But that is basically it. I hope this been helpful to you somehow and learned something new with me, but I think that was enough for today. See you again, and thank you.